Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had CPI inflation data come out today that really had a very, very little effect on the dollar. I mean, to me, it still looks like this is likely an ABC correction right here. And if it is an ABC correction, then I think there's a good chance this will continue the low, high, low, high, low, high series that we see on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the major low, high series is definitely continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. As long as that continues, I would definitely hold on to my shorts and possibly even continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks. If it does end up going up and breaking structure, then we'd probably have to reevaluate it. We do have a pretty clear 5 waves down right here, so this could be like a wave 1. It might go up and break structure as a wave 2, and then later on continue down for a wave 3. So definitely keep an eye on it. The trend is technically down on all the higher time frames. I'm still short on this, and I'm still looking for more shorts as long as it doesn't, break that low high series. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.